Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into the Nuwave Lux 13-piece forged cookware set, a collection that promises both premium performance and healthy cooking. In a market saturated with options, does this set truly stand out? Let's find out. First impressions matter, and the Nuwave Lux set certainly makes a good one. The premium construction is immediately apparent. These pieces feel robust and well-made, yet surprisingly lightweight. Nuwave emphasizes that this is where form meets function, and I have to agree. They're designed to be easy to handle, which is a huge plus for anyone who spends a lot of time in the kitchen, regardless of their skill level. The forging process likely contributes to this blend of durability and manageable weight. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the healthy Duralon Blue coating. This is where Nuwave really pushes the healthy cooking angle. This G10 Duralon Blue coating is described as an all-natural ceramic. Crucially, it's free from the usual suspects like PTFE, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This is a significant selling point for many consumers looking to avoid potentially harmful chemicals leaching into their food. They also state it doesn't emit toxic gases at high temperatures, which adds another layer of peace of mind for families. The Generation 10 ceramic is also worth a closer look. Rated at a hardness of 9H, this suggests a very durable surface. Nuwave claims exceptional resistance to abrasion and corrosion, meaning it shouldn't chip or discolor easily, and that its non-stick properties should last longer. Fast, even heating and effortless food release are the expected benefits of this type of coating, and durability is always a welcome trait in cookware. One of the more innovative features is the premium metal lids with flavor channels. These aren't your average lids. The flavor dots are designed to help with moisture control. The idea is that as steam builds up, these dots redirect it back onto the food, effectively basting it as it cooks. This is a clever concept that could really enhance flavor and keep food moist, especially during longer cooking processes. The PFAS-Free claim is a big one, and Nuwave backs it up by stating the Duralon Blue G10 ceramic coating was tested by TÜV for 106 known PFAS elements, and none were detected. For those who are concerned about PFAS contamination, this is a definitive statement that addresses that worry directly. Finally, the all cooktop and oven safe feature makes this set incredibly versatile. It's induction ready, which is essential for many modern kitchens, and compatible with gas and electric cooktops as well. Being oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, including the metal lids, means you can easily go from stovetop searing to oven finishing without any hassle. This opens up a whole range of cooking possibilities, from perfect roasts to homemade bread. So, what are the pros and cons of the Nuwave Lux cookware set? On the pro side, the healthy, non-toxic coating is a major advantage. The PFAS-free certification and the absence of harmful chemicals are significant draws. The G10 ceramics claim durability and hardness are also promising for long-term use. The lightweight yet sturdy construction makes it easy to handle, and the innovative flavor channel lids are a unique and potentially very useful feature. Versatility is another big win, with compatibility across all cooktops and oven-safe capabilities. However, there are potential considerations. While the G10 ceramic is claimed to be hard and durable, the long-term performance of any non-stick coating can vary. We'll need to see how it holds up over extended periods of rigorous use. The 13-piece set might be more than some people need, and storage could become a factor depending on kitchen size. And while it's marketed as lightweight, personal preference for weight in cookware can differ. In conclusion, the Nuwave Lux 13-piece forged cookware set appears to be a strong contender for anyone prioritizing healthy cooking and a versatile kitchen. The emphasis on a non-toxic, durable ceramic coating, combined with practical features like induction compatibility and oven-safe lids, makes this a compelling option. It aims to deliver on both performance and peace of mind, and based on the specifications, it seems to hit many of the right notes. Link in the description.